Everyone says they want to get rich quick, but that's the wrong goal. Your fastest and best chance of success is when you learn how to get paid quick. Because when you learn how to get paid quick, that's how you get rich for real. Hi, I'm Richmond Dinh, and I was an optometrist for 10 years before I built up an 8-figure coaching business from scratch. And now I help everyday early stage coaches and experts and creators just like you make their very first dollar online. And then I show you on how to turn that first dollar into a $100,000 full-time income so you can get paid for doing what you love full-time. I'm the founder of the Tiny Challenge Method, a simple system that has helped thousands of coaches and experts turn their knowledge into income fast without learning how to speak, without all the fancy tech, without learning how to have a big audience, without all the complicated funnels or anything that overwhelms you, especially when you're starting out. And so I've been interviewed by some of the world's biggest leaders and industry influencers on this method, and also spoken on some of the world's biggest stages as well. And on this channel here, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to build and launch your very first coaching offer fast, how to get clear on who your offer is for, and more importantly, how to get your ideal client to buy from you when they don't know who you are. More importantly, I'll be sharing with you strategies and tactics on how to grow your personal brand that makes people believe in you before they even buy from you. So if you're a coach, expert, or speaker who's serious about turning your purpose into profit, this is where you start, because you're not going to find any hype on this channel. I do teach repeatable systems that anyone can do, and the only thing I ask you to not do, please do not do this, is do not subscribe to my channel unless you've actually made money from the content that I've given you, because I want you to see a true reflection of how many subscribers I have. So have a look at how many subscribers I have, and I want to have that as a direct correlation to anyone who subscribes to my channel as someone who's actually made money from my content. So enjoy the content. I love for you to succeed. I want you to succeed. And if you want to thank me by succeeding, just hit the subscribe button, but only if you made money from my content. Apart from that, I look forward to getting to know you better. Welcome to the channel. My name's Richmond Dinh. Let's get rich together. Remember, keep believing and never settle.